Hi everyone, I'm Shamaine Cherumbira, and in this video I'll be showing you how to prepare 10% formalin and 10% formal saline fixatives. These two main fixatives are used in a laboratory to preserve tissue morphology, stabilize proteins and cellular components, prevent microbial growth, and harden tissues for easier processing and sectioning. Whether you are a student, researcher, or lab professional, this guide will help you to understand the correct preparation method of these fixatives. So let's get started. So we're going to start with preparation of 10% formalin. I have my 40% formaldehyde and distilled water. So here I'm measuring 100 ml of distilled water. I have 50 ml of measuring cylinders, so I'm going to make those two. And here, the first step that I'm going to do in this preparation is to measure 10 ml of 40% formaldehyde and put it in a conical flask. Then I'll pour the distilled water into the conical flask and give it a gentle mix. After this, I'm going to store it in a bottle. That's it for 10% formalin, and now we're going to prepare 10% formal saline fixative. The first step here is to measure 0.9 grams of sodium chloride. After that, here I have a beaker, I have a bottle, I have my sodium chloride, I have 40% formaldehyde, and I have the distilled water. The first step here is to measure 10 ml of 40% formaldehyde and put it in a beaker. Next, we're going to put the 0.9 gram of sodium chloride into the beaker containing the formaldehyde solution, and then we'll measure 100 ml of distilled water, and we'll also add it in the beaker. Here we're going to have to make sure that we mix well and store it in a bottle. After that, make sure that you label the bottle with the name of the fixative and the date of preparation. And this brings us to an end of my video. Thank you so much for watching.